Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who was supposed to visit Manipur on April 14 to campaign for Lok Sabha elections, has been deferred to April 15th. According to sources, the Union Minister will be landing at Imphal International Airport at 2 p.m. From there, Shah will head to Hapta Kangjaipong in Imphal East to address an election rally alongside Chief Minister N. Biren Singh and other BJP leaders. After addressing the rally, the Union Minister will head to Thambal Sanglen at BJP Manipur head office, wherein he will inaugurate the office building, followed by a meeting with BJP Manipur leaders to discuss election matters. It may be mentioned that Amit Shah's last visit to the state was on May 29th last year amid the violence and stayed for 3 days. Imphal East District Magistrate Daina Kumanthem said that permission has been given for public meeting from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. The permission was sought by state BJP. Besides, elections will be held in Manipur in 2 phases. The Inner Manipur state will vote in the first phase on April 19 along with some parts of the Outer Manipur constituency. The remaining parts of the Outer Manipur will vote in the second phase on April 26. The BJP has fielded State Education Minister Thongnaucham Basanta Kumar Singh in Inner Manipur. It has not fielded any candidate in Outer Manipur and extended support to Naga People's Front candidate Kachui Timothy Zimik.